This morning, water could be restored to the city of Marshall.
Tuesday's water main break has shut down schools and businesses, leaving much of the city without running water. GMAT's Emma Kay is live this morning with an update on a new approach to repairs and the timeline to get the water flowing. Emma, good morning.
Good morning. I'm at the work site on Spring Street. You see the large hole here behind me, where contractors have been working for 48 hours to get the water up and running again. Last night, they poured concrete around clamps to finish the repairs, and it's been curing since then. Around midnight, we're told the city was expected to start pressurizing the utility system and filling water lines again. Their last estimate was for that to be completed by 5 a.m. Already, city leaders are looking at how this could have been prevented.
But we are currently in a situation created by inaction and neglect of critical water infrastructure. And this has taken place over many decades. It's been a delay of maintenance, upgrades, and replacement. This is an incredibly frustrating situation.
It will still be a while before everyone in Marshall has water again. The city says the water towers will be refilled by 3 o'clock this afternoon, and they expect full pressure back by 6 o'clock this evening. That's if everything goes to plan. So if you're on the Marshall water system, when your water does come back on, you're under a boil water advisory. So you'll need to boil your water for 2 minutes before it's safe for use. We're still working to get updates this morning on the ongoing work in progress, and we'll bring those to you as soon as we get them. Live from Marshall for Good Morning East Texas, I'm Emma Kay.
All right, Emma, thank you. And because of this water shortage, Marshall ISD is canceling class again today. So no school this morning, but administrators say they hope to resume on Friday. East Texas Baptist University is shifting its classes to virtual today and tomorrow. Wiley University is also postponing this Friday's Founders Observance Convocation until next Tuesday. We've just learned in the last 5 minutes, Marshall City Hall and other non-emergency municipal buildings will have a delayed opening today at 11 o'clock. That emergency burn ban is still in place for now.